G'day, it's Shay here from Spiroloc. I'm not the boss, I'm just mates with the boss. We're going to do the unboxing of the Spiroloc wood-fired bath heater. You got the craft knife out here. Just get into there, spin on that side. Geez, they made a good job of taping it up, didn't they? And there. Oh, woo-hoo-hoo. Throw that down there for a sec. Okay, so you got your 2 bits of flue. Oh, there we go. The bath heater. Inside, you've got your inlet, outlet, flue cap. It's a bit tricky to get out. Just bear with me. We'll fix this in the edit like that. Thanks, the boss just did nothing to. Thanks, Paul. That's the boss. Make it look easy.